This video is for people who are inactive and suffer with pain as a result. You lack mobility, flexibility, and you're very unfit. Now, I suffer with a touch of fibromyalgia, and I do keto with food and I don't really exercise. And I want to address that because, as some of you know, I have moved recently and I am really suffering with being inactive, lack of exercise, unfit, and now I have the added pain of, shifting furniture around. In our next upcoming videos, as a complement to this, we will be doing light exercises for you to start being more active, stuff you can do at home and is easy. The exercises won't require any equipment. You can do it in the comfort of your own home and at your own pace, and you won't have to worry about people watching you or expensive gym memberships. But before we start exercising, we do need to address the pain that you might already have or tension in your body, and today we are covering your neck and your back. So without further ado, let's get into this instructional video. Every morning before you get out of bed, stretch your body by laying on your back and extend and stiffen your limbs and flex your ankles and wrists. Then after you get out of bed, take a little time to stretch your neck, rolling your head in a circular motion slowly. Roll your shoulders as well in a circular motion, back and forth, changing direction. Here I'm doing a full body stretch. You can see I am addressing the side and middle of my back as well as my shoulders, pulling my arm in the opposite direction across my body. And do try to do this every morning for the best results. If you get headaches and the pain is coming from your neck or the base of your head, you may have tension at the base of your skull and neck. Hold the base of your skull with one hand and tilt your head, pulling slightly to stretch your neck. With the other hand, do make a fist, or you can extend one finger so a knuckle protrudes. Massage your neck in a circular motion with your knuckles working your way around one side of your neck from the nape down to the start of your shoulders, avoiding your spine. Do rotate your head after your neck massage to see if you need to keep working the one side. Repeat on the other side as well because tension does tend to travel around the body, always avoiding your spine. To relieve tension in your shoulders, and please do excuse the fluff on my t-shirt, it's from filming with my dog. With the hand opposite to your shoulder, pull the muscle forward with your hand and at the same time pull your shoulder back, and you can see my neck is slightly tilted as well. Also, do note I'm applying quite a bit of pressure with my hand here. Another thing you can try is hitting or beating your shoulder with the opposite hand, and you can easily do this using the side of your palm. Always remember to repeat on the other side because, as I said before, tension does tend to travel through the body. To stretch the upper body in and around the shoulder blades, extend one of your arms across the body and hold the same arm firmly with your other arm. Then arch your back and hold for a few seconds. This will stretch the shoulder blade of the extended arm, and then repeat on the other side. Another thing you can do to stretch around the shoulder blade area is to use the corner of a wall. Place the area of pain right on the corner of the wall and move in a circular or side-to-side motion, pressing into the wall. And you can see here I'm massaging between my shoulder and then closer to my shoulder. If you just want to stretch between the shoulder blades, position yourself on all fours and arch your back up as far as you can go and hold. Then drop your back as low as possible, looking up, and hold for a few seconds. And you want to repeat this until you get some relief. To stretch your lats, which is the side of your back, lay on your back on the floor and extend your arms with your palms down for support. During the stretch, do try to keep your chest in the same position. Fold one leg over the other and try to get your knee to touch the ground or as close as possible, keeping the other leg straight. Then turn your head in the opposite direction. And you want to repeat the stretch for the other side. And I can really feel it working the side of my back and torso area. Just want to show you a front view so you get the full idea of how to properly perform the stretch. And you can see I even help my knee over, and this also helps with stretching the side of your hips. This is a really good stretch for the whole of your back if you can manage it. Lay on your back with your knees raised, feet flat on the floor and palms face down for support. Lift your knees to a 90-degree position and move them side to side in a rocking motion. The 90-degree angle will stretch your lower back. And the higher you lift your knees and move side to side, the higher up your back you will target the stretch. I mostly have upper back pain, so I need to contortion myself like a gymnast to target my upper back. But I've been doing this for a long time, and you may need to practice before you can hit this one. Well, after doing the exercises in this video, I most definitely have relief in my neck and my back, and I hope this helps you as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe and be well.